Hello guys, how are you? Today is the day 17. We are at the day 17 of this challenge, and how these 16 days have completed we even don't know that so much these 16 days have spent so very soon. So and the remaining 4 days will also spend very soon. And if we are improving 1% every day, so we will make it done. Hope you all are hope you all are improving 1% every day. I know that I have not improved my English so much, but I have improved one thing, that is self confidence, and that is thinking. That is the power of thinking in English. Many times it has begun to happen with me that I think in English in the over the all day. Uh, like if I am thinking about any situation, I think in English. If I am doing any work, so I start listening or telling speaking with me something in English. So these type of things began to happen with me. But before starting this challenge, I was not doing any practice of English. I was just reading, but it was not impacting to my spoken English, to my language learning. Now I am doing practice of reading, writing, listening, but the main practice I am still living today, that is speaking practice. I am not talking with anyone. I am not using the AI tools for talking, for speaking practice. Just I am doing the mirror study for speaking. But that is not also the enough, because when we talk with the partner, then we realize where we stand, what improvements we need, what mistakes we are doing. So talking with practice partner is very necessary to improve. Make sure that you are doing that practice. And as the as I have already shared with you about my health issues that are not still well, so that is also one reason I'm unable to complete my all the daily routine tasks every day. And about which topic, I have not covered any topic to make video, but still we are making video of today. We are also going to complete this challenge of 21 days, and I think there is no and I think there is not a big task remaining now to complete in this challenge. And one thing that is I want to share with you, that many times it happens to us, we don't like to pursue the challenge or decision we take in life. I know that I have taken so many wrong decisions in life, but I believe that taking actions, whether these are wrong or right, taking actions are much taking actions are taking actions or taking decisions are much better than not taking any decision or inaction. Because if you are not taking any decision, or if you are in the inaction mode, so you are not learning anything. You are standing on the same step. Getting the vibe what I want to say, you are standing on the same place where you were standing some days before, or some years before, some years ago. But if you are taking any actions, if you are taking any decisions, whether they are wrong, so you are learning. Maybe your one decision will go so right that your all the wrong decisions you have taken till now would be recovered. All the loss of that wrong decision would be recovered by just one right decision, right? So how you can take the right decision? By the experiences of your wrong decisions. In the same way, today and yesterday I was feeling not to make video for this challenge. I was it felt to me that, yeah, it does not make a very big difference if I don't make a video for just one day, because I'm making video of 20 days. So if it doesn't matter, that it doesn't matter to leave just one day. But we lost our self confidence also when we don't make video. But it doesn't happen immediately. We realize this thing after not making video. Like if we have not post video today, so we will realize this mistake tomorrow, not immediately. Immediately we will feel a short term, very short term happiness, but in the long term we will feel regret for the whole life, and we will lose our confidence in so much amount that we will not having confidence to take this type of challenge anyone in our life. We need to take motivation, we need to take guidance from anyone. we need to we will find dependency. These type of things will start to happen when we fail too many times. So that is why I always say that make some good habits also with you. Like waking up early is a good habit. Doing charity or donations like things, good habit. Making reading habit, good habit. So these type of habits you should make your lifestyle. They will eventually will become they will eventually fruitful one day, and you will not think that how it happened to me, I don't know, but yes, it happened to me. But you could never be able to find the sources that helped you to reach that place. mm, Enough. I don't know what will I am going to cover the next day at the day 18 video, but I know that I am going to complete this challenge, and I will definitely try to give some value in the videos I am making. Because if I am adding any value to your life in making these videos, I am adding simultaneously that value to for myself. If I am learning anything for video making, so I am learning to myself also. So that thing I am learning for myself also. So, and if I am not learning anything for making videos, so it means I am not improving 1% every day, right? Learning everything is very necessary. Learning a lot, only then you can think to earning a lot. Let's meet on the day 18, and yeah, goodbye, take care of yourself, and don't forget to improve 1% every day. Don't go for the very big steps, don't go for the 100% always. But if you like to give your 100% or more than 100%, you can go. But if you don't like to put any even 1%, but don't skip them at the time. You give your input, even it is 1%, but don't skip even a single day, because it is going to cost you in a very huge amount you cannot pay for in the future. You cannot realize at this time. So always make long term goals, always believe, always trust on the long term things, not on the short term happiness or short term outputs, right? Think big, and have high spirits. Let's make it happen. Best of luck, guys.